Mwike, you have to decline it. Are you not ashamed of yourself? Mom, you want to marry a girl you knew when she was born? I will not take it.
Mother, what exactly are you doing? I don't like this. You are getting on my nerves and I don't like it. Please, I do not want to unleash what I have inside of me. Don't even allow me to unleash it. Because if I do, someone must go down. And I mean it. Please, you people should not annoy me in this house.
My queen, please do not be too angry with me. She came proposing it first.
Yes, I did. And you accepted.
And you know how close your late husband was with me while he was alive. I am prepared to contribute my quota to make sure that this throne does not leave this place.
Mother, please. I am not a party to this. Don't even listen to what he is saying. And he's just trying to use this to lure you. Please don't even pay attention to him at all.
Wike,
my queen,
get out of my house.
Huh?
I don't want to see you for now.
I'm going with you.
No, I cannot do this. You are embarrassing my guest. I don't like it. He's not going anywhere. Mother, please. Please don't get on my nerves. I'm begging you. In fact, I am warning you. Do not get on my nerves. I am warning you.
Did you just say you're warning?
I am warning you. Ow! You're very stupid.
Touch her. Mom. Slept. Are you crazy? Are you stupid? Wike, get out of my house.
My queen.
Get out of my house.
I will, but please.
Get out!
Get out! Get out!
Listen, Tacha. Don't make me face you. Is it because I'm keeping quiet? Do you take me for a weakling? What is all this nonsense? Throw this, throw that. Now listen. Forget about the throne.
What?
I am no longer interested.
I hope you're happy. Please. Please what? You slapped me. Go and fight her. Slapped me.
First in history, I, Wike, the incumbent to know of this kingdom, was sent out of the palace. Now tell me, where have I got it wrong? Where have I gone wrong? What did I do to make this? After all, I was not the one that came first proposing to her daughter. I just wanted to help. What did I do to make this? I have seen that you people are not serious. You don't want to retain the throne. You have just left me with one option. To join his daughter, who had always wanted me to collect some money from his son. I will join him at once.
Why? What have I done?
Bad news. Bad news. 2 times a day. Who have I offended? Eh? God, why? Hey!
My princess, it's okay. God will punish anybody who did that to our father. It's okay.
I swear, I will not rest until I find out the people responsible for this. Oliver, look at me. I lost my baby and my father-in-law to be in a day.
It's okay. It's Mazindokwa. He threatened my father. Now he has done it. He's the one behind this thing. Yes. He is the one that did it. But we will see.
He threatened him?
Yes.
Yes. Mazi Zora said it here. And he did not deny it.
Okay. No problem. I know what to do.
Yakotoba. Let it rain everywhere. My son, we must conquer. We must conquer. Come rain, come shine. Eh?
Yes, Papa. And we must conquer. Papa, in fact, I am so happy that Cindy lost that pregnancy. At least, Oliver cannot contest with me again.
That is true.
So, we are getting there.
Yes, so. Yes.
We are getting there, Papa.
Listen. Even Ndokwa, by the time the entire community knows that he is the one who killed Umoba, they will all hate him and he will have no chance of becoming the Igwe. Eh? That is it. He will not. I have told him to be very careful with me because I am a master planner and that no one can contest with me.
Papa, at the same time, there is still a small problem.
What is the problem?
Papa, the problem is he is denying it. Yes.
You are right. He is not actually the one that killed Umoba. I did.
Papa, what did you? I don't understand. What are you saying? What do you mean, Papa?
Listen to me. Listen. It was a plan between myself and Ndokwa to kill the king. We killed him by paying Atama. But I saw that Atama is somebody who has flippant tongue and that he talks anyhow. I have to eliminate him too. Yes. And then Ndokwa threatened Umoba. I seized that as an opportunity. I killed Umoba so that people will think that it was Ndokwa who did. And then he will lose the chances of becoming the Igwe. That is exactly what I did. Eh? And what is it?
Papa, why do you have to go to that extent of killing people because of this throne?
Listen to me. I have to confess this to you so that you will know what your father has been doing for you to have that throne. Eh?
Not so fast! Not so fast! Iswara!
What is it?
Is this who you are?
I don't understand.
I was listening to you. All you told your son, I had them. Listen to me. You killed Igwe, you killed Atama, and you killed Umoba. Who else are you aiming to kill again? Let me tell you, you will suffer the recompense of this action.
Wait, why not we just...
I have no business with a heartless murderer like you. The entire village will hear it.
See what I'm talking about? You have finally ruined everything. Everything we've been living, planning, you stop by killing people.
Calm down. Don't worry. Look
Look at the problem. You finally ruined my chances of becoming Dikeh in this community. Hi.
Wike, please. If you want me to kneel before you, I am ready to do that. Please understand, I beg you. I'm very sorry for all that happened because...
You said that you are sorry.
I'm sorry.
Izora, you are evil. You are bad. The entire village must hear this.
Chief, no, please.
Why not just understand? Whatever you need, we are ready to give it to you.
Yes.
Yes. My son has the money. Whatever. Because
Chief, please listen to my father. I will beg you in the name of God. Don't say anything. Any amount of money you want, I'm ready to give it to you. Please.
That whatever I want,
yes,
you will give to me.
Yes.
For me to shut up.
Yeah.
Huh?
What is going on here? What are you doing with Ichie and Wike? Wait a minute. Has this old fool come to talk you into supporting him to marry my sister Tacha?
Wike, no, Wike, did you?
What, you mean Ichie want to marry Tasha?
Yes. This old thing standing right here wants to marry Tacha. He wants to be king. Everybody now vies for my father's throne.
Yes, I want the throne. You and your son should tell her that I must have it, or I talk.
Wait a minute. What is going on here? What is he talking about? What does he want to talk?
Anyway, Vanessa, please. You see that throne? We want him to have it. We are tired. Yes, we can't continue like this.
We're tired. Everybody wants the throne. Everybody, I want it. This one, before they kill somebody, just let him have it. Let him have it.
I think I have exhausted my patience. You people should sort it and give me a word.
Wait a minute. What is going on here? Are you both okay?
We are okay. Let him have it.
Let him have it. Everybody wants the throne. Everybody wants this.
Let him have it.
Before somebody die.
Please, take her to the house. Take her to the house. Take her to the house. Take her to the house, oh.
Ichie, it's going to end today.
Yes,
today. You see Ichie Ndokwa?
Today.
We are going to murder Ichie Ndokwa for killing my father. Else he will swear to it. I will not take this.
I swear I will not take that from him.
Now listen to me, the honorable youth of this kingdom. You better drop your weapons. Or better still, channel it to the right place. Ichie Ndokwa was not the one that killed your father.
You
see, the problem we have in this community is Ichie Izora. I am just coming from his house. I overheard him telling his son that he was the one that killed Igwe. And he paid Atama to do it. And when he discovered that Atama was talking too much, he went ahead and eliminated him.
You see?
He now later killed your father to frame up Ichie Ndokwa.
No wonder Atama was eating money that day as if he robbed the bank.
And died mysteriously.
Yes.
I'll be on my way. You people should consider your steps.
Baby, go back to the palace. You see that man? You see that man? Ichie Izora. He's going to die today. Go back. I'll come and see you. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Have you seen it? Have you people seen it? When I talk, they say Tacha is a troublesome person. Tacha is this, Tacha is that. But I always say the truth. Venita, you see the kind of father-in-law you would have had? A murderer.
So Ichie Ndokwa and Ichie Izora planned and killed my husband.
Mother, it's okay. Mother, it's alright. Please just
just calm down. But I think we have lost in all direction except one. We can't let these people take the throne. That is our father's throne. Nevertheless, what I think we should do is support Tacha. And I think Ichewike is a good man.
Yes, I think so.
Mother, here is my plan. I want to marry Onowu because father said he's a good man. He will be a better king. I will rule with him. Through that, I can be able to do the things father couldn't do before he died. Mother, I know, yes, most times I could be very harsh in my actions. But the truth is that I know exactly where I'm headed. I know what I'm doing.
Please go ahead. You have my permission.
Thank you, Mother.
Thank you, Mother.
All will be well. Mother, it's okay.
Mom, it's okay.
Stop crying, please.
It's okay.
Mama!
You don't have to run, eh? Yes, Mama. I told you I would make it. Now I am back to claim what belongs to us.
Oh, where?
Yes.
How? Mama.
Meanwhile, I need to run first to the police station to bail Papa. That's important, yes.
Now you have to calm down first. Huh? You know, since you left here, we have been calling your number, but it wasn't going.
There's no way you would get me with that number, Mama. I was using that number when I was nobody. Now I'm a big boy. Huh? I've changed my line. But all of that will be explained later. Let me go to the police station first and bail Papa. Then when I come back, we'll have all things sorted out.
Oh, but wait, your father is out, but he ran away.
Keodi Akukobu is out, but he ran away. What kind of talk is that?
You see, after Ichie Izora was beaten by the village youths over the killing of Igwe and Atama, including Ichie Nwoba, Ichie Izora committed suicide and your father ran away. That's what we are facing.
What?
Yes.
These people are taking this too far. Okay. I will go and look for Papa. I will find him and I will bring him back to claim his throne. But for now, I have to go to that palace. I will give it hot to all of them.
Are you ready? Now the chiefs are down. We are now the owners of this great kingdom. Look at how the gods do their own thing. Let me see who will come and try to do it. Oh no! Obiageli! Obi!
Papa!
Bia. Adam, we are going to the palace to marry Tacha.
Hey!
So your father is about becoming the king of this land. Now.
I can't wait to be a princess.
That's what you should be.
I wish you good luck. It will work well.
Hello, future princess. Kaide introduction.
Good luck. So I will now be Princess Albe.
Where are they? Where are those idiots occupying this place? Where are they?
What are you doing here?
I have come to take back what belongs to me. You have just 1 second, all of you, to pack your things and get out of this place.
We are not going anywhere. We are going nowhere.
Odili, you are back again.
Yes, I am back again. Like I said, you have just 1 second. 1. To get in here and pack all your stuff and get out of this place.
We are not going anywhere. We are not going anywhere.
Is this supposed to be some kind of sick joke or something?
I don't understand.
Throw these things out.
Hey! Now! Hey!
Throw them out!
All of them! Out! Throw them out! Move! Then move!
Get going, get going!
I will tell you I run things around here. Now where are the rest of the occupants of this place?
Hey! Come! Go kneel there! Move it! Where are the rest of them?
Don't just have to leave us like that. Not just because of what happened. Please, don't go.
After everything Papa has done? Papa has finally messed up my life.
I understand.
So, no, tell me. What am I doing in this village? What am I doing in this village? So, Mama, let me tell you, if you are not disappointed and embarrassed, I am. I
know your father has messed us up. But not just because of that. He will leave.
Mama, brother. Hey! Odili is back. He came back with big money.
What money? Money what?
Ha!
What are you saying? Which big money? Have you started hallucinating? What are you talking about?
Me hallucinating? But well, I know what I saw. I saw him with big car, even with army men.
No, tell me, all did I just travel to the city less than 1 week? Do you think they will just go to the city and start plucking money on the tree? Come on, shut up your mouth there and don't tell me. See, if what you're saying is true, he borrowed that car. Yes.
But I don't know about that one, no. But I know what I saw. I saw him with big car and heavy army men. And I'm sure this time around he won't spare anybody that comes across his way. Brother Biko, you have to go now.
Shut up. What do you
Brother
mean?
Biko, you have to go.
What? Go where? In short, Mama, I am not going anywhere again. I am staying back. Yes.
If what your sister has just said is true, that means you have to go. Because I don't want him to hurt you.
Mama, am I scared of him? Mama, I said I am not going anywhere again. I am staying back in this village. Yes. Please. If Odili thinks he's connected, he cannot pay for military men, soldiers to be guiding him. Let him carry 10 trucks of soldiers. I am not scared of him. If he's connected, I will tell him I am more connected than him. I will go and pay for more military men that will escort me also. I will stand him as a man. Am I scared of him? Mama,
scary.
I am not going anywhere. I am staying back in this place. Mama, I'm not going anywhere.
Brother, they are scary. If you see those men, if what your sister has just said is true, if what your sister has said is true, please come and start going, no. Because I don't want anyone to hurt you. He's going to hurt you, and I don't want him to hurt you. Please talk to him. If you see the army men.
What? Where did he get money from? Who gave him money?
Ichi, I don't know. All I know that Odile has taken over the palace.
Hi! Oh no! We cannot allow him to do that. It is not possible. Hey. Let's proceed.
He came back with army people, no?
I don't care. We will show them that this is tradition. Hey. They cannot intimidate us with army. Oh no! Let's go to the palace. Ego. Army cannot stand tradition. Let's go.
Ami is there.
How can I? Go home. I mean, let's go to the palace. Okay. I wonder.
Now, you will take him to all the houses of the cabinet chiefs and drag each one of them here right now. That coronation has to happen now. You heard me?
Consider it done, sir.
And you, go into the village and get every single villager you can lay your hands on. They have to be witnesses to this. No! Don't do it, I will commit murder! Come. Now listen, all of you. There's been a change of government. If you want to stay alive and to avoid this bloodbath, then you have to cooperate. Else, you will be murdered. Have I made myself clear?
Yes, sir.
Who are you referring to as sir? Call me, Your Highness. Have I made myself clear?
Yes, Your Highness.
Again?
Yes, Your Highness.
Like Nama, I will treat myself like Nama. Yeah, shares. Yeah, shares. You're my chair. This is the okay. Kikarian, come for palace. Hey, Kai, you go show me the restaurant. Down Bogo Banka. Come on, Muje. Come, Muje. No, if you move, I shoot myself. Down Bogo, come move. Show me the restaurant. If you move, I shoot myself.
No joy, no peace, fighting for the throne. Onyega no do no cheze. Onyega bonyo chichi. Iye mtu wane buto wike. Ocheze. Onyega no do no cheze. Onyega bonyo chichi.
Bad thing don't happen to this village. Nayago.
Hey! Hey, son. So it's true. They killed my son. My only son. Hey!
Nayago.
I'm talking about my only son.
Come make I tell you what happened to this village. Nayago. Yeah. See, come out from this village. Na Iche, Ndokwa, and Iche, Izora. Now them be the people where they plan all this bad party where they happen to this village. Now they even kill your son. And they even kill your son and the Igwe.
Hey!
Sisi, come out. So be careful.
Hey!
This guy has humiliated us. He has just humiliated us. I will not take this, oh. I will never take this.
I think what is important for us to do right now is to get a place to stay. We need to leave this place. Look at me, I'm even barefooted.
How do we live here when we don't have any money on us? I knew that boy would treat us this way.
Mommy! Mommy! There's a problem.
What is it?
The army. They are taking every single person to the palace.
Eh? Ichie, he will be in big trouble by now. What is all this now? Mommy, say something. You're not saying anything. What do you want me to say? Tell me.
Hey! What are you?
Mama, want to see enjoying.
But this one, they draw onions on it.
Yes, sir.
Look at it now. Is this not onions?
I like it.
Let me check. Oh, it's the same thing.
So nice.
Hey! So after everything, we will still become royalty.
Yes, Mama.
Yes.
Now, I'm very, very happy. Let me see who come and challenge us again in this place. Let me see that person.
Nobody.
Mama, how will brother be able to pay for the money abroad?
Is it your business?
Don't mind now.
Don't ask that foolish question again. Go eat and drink water. Go in and drink water. Or you drink your juice. You drink your own juice. Why are the two of you coughing? Drink more. What is it? Sonia! Sonia! What is it? Hey! Somebody help me!
Now you all have seen that the cookie has crumbled. I am now in charge. I don't care whatever arrangements you had with my father. He's no longer in charge here. I am in charge. And I demand that I be crowned king immediately. Come forth and crown me king peacefully. Else you'll be killed this instant.
This one of you then. This one of you then. What is it? I'll crown you king. Because you're not.
What is going on here?
And who are you?
I am Agu, the one whom your fake father and his evil friend has been keeping in prison for many years.
Agu,
I will not let you, Onowunwike, crown fake son, the king of this land, Omebe.
How dare you!
Abomination.
I am not afraid of your army because I have dined and wine with many of them. You can't do me anything. Oh yes, I will not allow you fake son, to be crowned king in this land. Go and ask your mother who your father is. Ndokwa is not your real father. Hey, Tabuba, hey.
Ami, get out of this. This is not any matter. It is tradition.
Hey,
Agu, Are you sure? Agu.
Aju.
Ijukwaya.
Ha!
Mama. You have to come with me.
What is it?
Your twin sisters are dead, though.
Dead. How?
After eating what you brought for us, both of them coughed out blood and died.
Oh, you see? Huh? The eye that cries sees it. Norma, didn't you see me? Agu, I am back from prison. Norma, take your son. And the whole villagers here, that Ndokwa is not his father. Tell him that it was Wabakeleke Amechi from Ebonyi State that impregnated you. Tell him. Yes, tell him. Tell him that lack of male child in kindred of Omazari is a cause. Tell him now so that he can go and look for his father.
Mother. Is this true?
He is right.
Shut up!
Now listen. You have twins in your family.
Yes.
You will take 2 of these.
It is done. It is done.
Dambuguba, Kai.
Wait. One more Kai from you.
Dambuguba.
You have
you.
Chai! You back. Dambuguba. Kai. Back. Shut up. Hey, Kai.
Be careful.
Follow me.
Don't move back. We know.
Lagode Baba. Lagode. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Aisa. Lagode Baba. Aisa, Akili. Take your weapons, let's go. Saidi.
Yeah?
Is this true?
As we're talking here now, the war has ended. Yes. The palace starter.
Hey! I cannot wait. I cannot wait to see that useless face of his. I really want to laugh at him. Hey! So he's no longer going to be the king.
Not before now. You have to wait until he leaves the village.
My daughters, please, let us stay here. For now, until they all leave. So now, who will fight for the throne?
He left the palace in shame. And it is even now, I remember why Inoma was so close to that Amechi, that farmer called Amechi in those days. She was closer to him than every other farmer that came to our land as at then. Far back. Hey!
Ichie, so tell me, what is the next step to take? We need to know his plan.
His plan is not even important to know because he's a stranger. And the stranger cannot rule this land. Okay? But by the way, there's something of talking about his plan. Eh? Let's talk about our plans. How to cement our marriage as agreed now.
Wait. Let's talk about other things. Okay?
Yeah? Okay, so.
Please, my son, do not leave me at this moment. Please, I'm begging you. I'm begging you.
Do not push me to commit murder, because I have the mind of strangling you here. So this was the reason you kept praising me.
Mama, look at what you've done so fast.
Mama, you know when it comes to farm work, I'm hardworking.
This is good. You are really strong like your father. Hey.
My father? Well, Papa does not like farm work.
Yes, he doesn't. But anytime he wants to work, he works very well. Now don't worry. Don't worry, my dear. Continue with your work. Okay. I've prepared a very delicious soup for you at home.
Hey! Is it not you again?
I know. I know what you want.
But I want to take some.
Hey, yes.
Thank you, Mama. Hey!
Hey!
Mama. Mama, it's like you know what my body needs now. Hey! Hey, wait! Your cooking is always superb.
Yes, and your father likes this kind of food.
Really?
Yes.
Papa, you are back.
Oh, did it?
Yeah?
This mountain is for you alone?
Papa, you needed to see the amount of work I did today at the farm.
Yes.
I cleared everywhere. I worked so hard for Mama.
Yes.
So I deserve to eat. Moreover, she told me that I took after you both in working hard and eating food.
She's lying.
Hey!
She's lying. You know I don't like farm work now. I don't like farm work. That is why I use Amechi to clear for me those days. And I paid him any amount he asked for. As for food, Odili, you know now. I don't eat fufu. Have you seen me eat fufu before?
I don't know between you both who's telling a lie, Mama.
Don't mind your father. He is lying. He wants to deny it now because he doesn't want you to eat this food. Nah, don't confuse my son. Allow him to eat. Nah, don't mind your father.
So all the money I work in this house is for him to eat alone.
Please allow him to eat.
So this is true? He was the man referred to.
I am so sorry. I'm so sorry, my son. I'm so sorry, my son. I didn't mean to do it. It was your father who complained to me that he needed a son. That he didn't want to lose the throne when it gets to his turn. That was why I did it. Please, forgive me.
He's aware of this? He knew about all of this?
Yes, he knew about it. It was his plan for me to get pregnant from Amechi. He was the one that planned it. Please, forgive me.
You both are. You're evil. I don't ever want to set my eyes on you again. I'm leaving this village for good. Don't attempt to come near to beg me, because I haven't forgotten the humiliation you brought upon me before the whole community. If you come 1 inch closer to me again, I will kill you by my hands.
I cannot wait to see that son of a nobody. That's Mugu, that egot. I want to so laugh at him.
In as much as we want to laugh at him, we have to be careful. You know how he is, and he moves with Mopol. I hope you remember that. He might attack us.
Let him attack us. I want to see him face to face. Let me see the face with which he wants to face me with, if he's not ashamed of himself. I will embarrass him. I will.
I don't want anybody to blow my eye.
I will fight.
I don't want anybody to blow my eye.
Just stay beside me. I will fight. I will do the fighting. 1 blow 7 apples.
All we need to do is just laugh and run away. You don't need to fight him. Which one?
Stop! Stand up, no man! Stop! Stop! Hey. If you're not ashamed, stop! Son of no man!
Tasha. Venita. I just want to say I'm sorry for everything.
Get it? What? So, you now want to beg?
I just realized I was fighting for what wasn't mine. If you were in my shoes, you would do the same thing. But now that I know the truth, I just want to leave this village for good and go away. I am sorry. And I want you to help me tell your mother that I am sorry and beg her. Please.
Venita, did you see that?
I saw it, my sister. I can't even believe it.
I wasn't expecting it.
But you know, something in me tells me that that apology was from his heart.
I'm still dazed. I'm surprised.
Anyway, we need to get back to Mom. I'm not cool with the fact that you want to marry an old man because of that throne. And we need to call Odili back. He seems really sorry.
I think you're right. Let's go.
Ocheze, onye ga-anọdụ n'ocheeze, onye ga-abụ onye ọchịchị, ihe nrite ụwa na-ebute ọnwụnwa ike. Planning and scheming just for power, many are destroyed by desire. No joy, no peace, fighting for the throne. Ocheze, onye ga-anọdụ n'ocheeze, onye ga-abụ onye ọchịchị, ihe nrite ụwa na-ebute ọnwụnwa ike. Ocheze, onye ga-anọdụ n'ocheeze, onye ga-abụ onye ọchịchị, ihe nrite ụwa na-ebute ọnwụnwa ike. Ocheze, onye ga-anọdụ n'ocheeze, onye ga-abụ onye ọchịchị, ihe nrite ụwa